Hello students, welcome to fluid mechanics class. Today topic is viscosity. Viscosity means what? In fluid mechanics subject, what is the meaning for viscosity? Yes, viscosity is defined as the property of fluid which offers resistance to the movement of one layer of fluid over another adjacent layer of the fluid. It is so simple. When two layers of a fluid a distance dy apart move one over the other at different velocities, say u and u plus du as shown in figure 1.1. This is the figure you can observe here. For easy understanding purpose, for analyzing purpose, we took this enlarged figure. That means enlarged means here you can observe closely. This dy is there, no? This dy is the distance between two fluid particles, and this is the velocity of those particles u and u plus du. Here clearly mentioned, a distance dy apart move one over the other at different velocities, say u and u plus du as shown in figure. Okay, you can just visualize the velocity together with relative velocity causes a shear stress acting between the fluid layers. The top layer causes a shear stress on the adjacent lower layer, while the lower layer causes a shear stress on the adjacent top layer. This shear stress is proportional to the rate of change of velocity with respect to y, with respect to the vertical distance y. You can observe in the figure here shown. It is denoted by symbol tau. It is denoted by symbol tau. Mathematically, tau proportional to du by dy or mathematically tau proportional to du by dy, or tau is equal to mu into du by dy. That means where mu is the constant of proportionality and is known as the coefficient of dynamic viscosity. And you can observe the figure here. The curve shows the velocity profile, the fluid particle velocity profile, and the u is the velocity and y is the vertical distance. It is so simple. Okay, for analyzing purpose, we made the graphical representation like this. Okay, it will help you easy understanding. Where mu is the constant of proportionality and is known as the coefficient of dynamic viscosity or only viscosity. Okay, du by dy represents the rate of shear strain or rate of shear deformation or velocity gradient. From equation 1.2 we have mu equal tau by du by dy. What is the mu? Is the constant proportionality, tau is the viscosity, and du by dy is the shear strain. Okay. Thus, viscosity is also defined as the shear stress required to produce unit rate of shear strain. In another way, we can define like this. Okay. Next, units of viscosity. How we are going to derive the units for viscosity? Yes, let us see. The units of viscosity is obtained by putting the dimensions of the quantities in equation 1.3. You can take this equation the mu equal tau by du by dy and put the dimensions for this equation. How we are going to put dimension? You can observe here. Yes, mu equal the tau, that means the viscosity, the tau is the shear stress, and yes, you can observe here. Tau is the shear stress, and the du by dy. Du is the change of velocity and dy is the change of distance. Shear stress unit is force by area, and change of velocity unit is, velocity means meter per second, that means length by time. It is clear? Next, change of distance means how we are going to measure the distance. Commonly in meter. Meter means the unit is length. Okay, 1 by length. Therefore, you can simplify this equation and finally we get force into time by length square. Okay. In MK system, force is represented by kgf, that means kilogram force, and length by meter. In CGS system, force is represented by dyne and length is by centimeter, and in SI system force is represented by Newton. Okay, you should remember, commonly in academic we are use SI system. SI system force is represented by Newton and length by meter. Okay, MKS unit of viscosity is equal to kg of second per meter square. It means kilogram force second per meter square by MKS unit. By in CGS unit of viscosity is equal to dyne second per centimeter square. In the above expression, Newton per meter square is also known as Pascal. Newton per meter square is also known as Pascal, which is represented by PA. Okay, in short form we represent PA, or we also called Pascal. Hence, Newton per meter square. Hence, Newton per meter square is equal to Pascal. Is equal to Pascal. It is very important in when we are going to solve some problems. Their data may be given by Pascal. There you should convert to Pascal to SI unit. Then there you should know what is the 1 Pascal is equal to Newton per meter square. Okay, 1 Newton per meter square. Pascal is equal to Newton per meter square. You should remember this. It is very important. Newton per meter square is equal to Pascal. Okay. Therefore, SI unit of viscosity is equal to Newton second per meter square. That means is equal to Pascal second. Pascal means Newton per meter square. Remaining part is second. Okay, so Pascal second. SI unit of viscosity is equal to Newton second per meter square. Similar, same what I said. Same thing here. okay, Newton second per meter square. The unit of viscosity in CGS is also called poise. Okay, you should remember this word also. This is also one of the unit we are going to use in problems. Okay, the unit of viscosity in CGS is also called poise, which is equal to dyne second per centimeter square. The numerical conversion of the unit of viscosity from MKS unit to CGS unit is given below. You can observe the conversion. It is very simple. 1 kg of second per meter square is equal to 9.81 Newton second per meter square. That means therefore 1 kg force is equal to 9.81 Newton. Okay, it is also very important. You should remember it. These are helpful in the time of problem solving. In the time of problem solving, these conversion are very helpful. So you must and should remember, or you should note down these all the points. Okay, 1 kg force is equal to 9.81 Newton. Okay, commonly students are thinking 1 kg, what is the difference between Newton to kg? That means 1 kg is equal to 1 kg force is equal to 9.81 Newton. Okay, you should remember, this is very important. But 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second. Why? Force, when we are take as a force, their acceleration due to gravity will multiply. If we are going to take just kg, that is considered mass, but here 1 kg of is there, that means 1 kg force is there. So 1 kg means 1 kg mass, and remaining part is the force also is there, so you can multiply by acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration due to gravity unit is meter per second square. Okay, multiplying by meter per second square, then we are getting, you can just observe here, the 1 kg means 1000 gram, and meter is, we are converting to centimeter, 100 centimeter, and remaining is the second square. Okay, so here finally we are getting these values, and in other word we also called one dyne. Okay, therefore dyne is equal to gram. This conversion you can observe here, and after this simplifying these all the conversion, we are getting finally 98.1 poise. 98.1 poise. That means 1 poise is equal to, what is the meaning of poise? Sorry, what is the unit conversion unit for poise? Dyne second per centimeter square is equal to poise. Okay, these also new word for noting the viscosity unit. Okay, thus for solving numerical problems, if viscosity is given in poise, it must be divided by 98.1 to get its equivalent numerical value in MKs. Okay, but 1 kg of second per meter square is equal to 9.81 Newton second per meter square is equal to 98.1 poise. 1 Newton second per meter square is equal to, we are going to convert, we are going to simplify, then finally we are getting 10 poise. 10 poise, that means 1 Newton second per meter square is equal to 10 poise, or in another word we also write like this: 1 poise is equal to 1 by 10 Newton second per meter square. Okay, Okay, this is very important. You should remember this one important conversion, unit conversion. This poise, commonly in problems they are directly given the viscosity by poise. Then you can take the data and convert to SI unit. How to convert? At the time of conversion, you should remember, you should recall this conversion unit relation. That means 1 poise is equal to 1 by 10 Newton second per meter square. Okay, take this conversion relation. It will definitely helpful when you are going to solving the problems. Okay, happy learning. Thank you.